Hey beauties, and welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustler TV. Today is a simple slay, but it is slay 9 of the 30. And today's hair is provided by UNICE Hair. Now they did send me over this beautiful highlighted fake scalp closure wig, and today I'll be installing this on my cousin. Today I went ahead already and did her makeup and everything like that. And as far as this wig, it is a fake scalp highlighted closure wig in the length 24. And today I'm just going to do a simple and quick installation, and I'm just going to blunt cut the ends of this wig and just add a little layer to the front end just to frame her face a little. But I'm not trying to do that layer look. I just wanted to, kind of frame the face just a little bit for her face shape. But we're just going to keep this really simple and cute. Now, first things first, as I mentioned, I went ahead and did her makeup already, and now I'm going in with that Kiss foundation in the color Java, and I'm applying that foundation all over her cap. And I'm also going to apply that same foundation on that front end of that closure wig because it's less than an inch. It's just like a tad bit of lace left, and everything else is, the fake scalp fabric. So you would not need to add foundation all over that closure. But however, I did go ahead and go in with my lace prep and clean the hairline. I also went in with my skin protectant to protect the skin and also help with, her install lasting longer. And once I get all of that done, I will go ahead and place the wig and then begin to add my layers of glue. And I went ahead and added 4 layers of my lace melt, and now I'm just going to go ahead and pull that lace down into that glue. Now, as far as the closure size, this is a regular 5x4 lace closure wig, so it's not like a wide spaced closure. So just like a regular closure, but pretty much. And I'm just going to lay that lay that lace right into that glue, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut the extra lace off and everything like that, and tack down the rest of anything that is still lifting. Now, the only thing I did not do with this install is tie it down with the melt belt because to me it just really wasn't necessary, because it's really like no extra lace anywhere on that closure that even have to be really tied down. And once you just add enough glue and everything, it will stick regardless. So I just went ahead and cut off that extra lace and got right into the actual styling, which is very simple. As I mentioned, a straight blunt cut with just a light layer in the front just to frame the face, but not the curled layer look. I didn't want to go for that look today. But once I get everything cut off and tacked down, I will go ahead and get everything pressed out and styled. So pretty much all I did was take my glam wax stick and apply it on the top of that closure area, and I just hot combed and flat ironed the hair out. I also went in with a little heat protectant from olive oil, and applied it on their hair before I flat ironed it, so give that nice sleek look. And now I'm just taking a little Tresemme just to catch down any flyaways or anything that may be left on the closure. And once I get that done, I will go ahead and begin to blunt cut the wig nice and straight all around. Add the light little layer towards the top to frame the face, and then I will of course go back in and flat iron that all out once again. So now that everything is blunt cutted, I'm just gonna go ahead and, like I said, add a little layers to the face just to frame it, but I do not want that curled layer look. I just wanted to like kind of, chop it down just a little bit in an angle so it kind of frame her face instead of just being super, super straight. And once I do that, all I have to do is just go in and re-flat iron the hair on the ends, and then I will also just go in and conceal that part with that same Java foundation. And I will also be using some dark brown spray. I know usually when I do black hair or medium black hair, whatever you want to call it, I use the black hair spray. If I'm doing red hair, I use the burgundy hair spray. But for today's install, because the roots are dark brown, I will be using that High Beams dark brown spray to, spray around her parting areas. So stay tuned for that as well. And that pretty much sums up this tutorial. As I mentioned, it is a simple, quick, and easy slay. And today's hair was provided by UNICE Hair. Once again, this is their highlighted closure wig. So I hope you guys enjoyed her makeup, enjoyed her simple install. Thank you guys for tuning in for Slay 9. And get ready for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bells. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Stay tuned for the finishing results.